It was his first birthday and we had a party, we were trampolining and all of us were on it and Mum had to get off because she was wet. And that was a low point, to be honest, because that's when I realised this has gotten worse and I need to do something about it. My name is Gina. I'm a mum of 4 from Dublin. I've had 4 natural deliveries, all of which went very well, but I did feel after each that my pelvic floor was weaker. My youngest child is now 5. I thought she would be the easiest birth because she was my 4th. She was hard to deliver. I think I thought it was bad after 10-year-old, but it's much worse now. The sneezing, I would say, is the main thing. When I sneeze quickly, it happens like right there. So I don't want to wear pads every day. You know, I want to feel feminine. I came to visit Venus Medical, and in the course of conversation with Dr. Prendergast, I asked him about a treatment called FemiLift, which I had noticed on the Venus Medical website. The reason I was interested in it was because it was designed to laser treat stress incontinence. As I was chatting to Dr. Prendergast about the FemiLift treatment, what appealed to me very much about it was that there's no downtime. It's done over the course of 3 treatments, 10 to 15 minutes each. I'm a busy mum. Surgery is not an option, to be honest. So the idea of just being able to come in and out in less than half an hour and go straight home is wonderful. I left here so excited about FemiLift. You know, Jill was laughing at me. She was like, Gina, you know, seriously. She's talking about her lips. I'm talking about, have you heard about this? She said, of course I've heard about it. But I was so excited by it because I was like, oh my God, this is something that would mean the world to me to fix. You know, more so than my face, anything. Like if you ask me how, you know, what's the most important thing about this, like I'm excited. Like I can't wait to get this done.